Hi everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you my 3 terrariums that I'm so lucky enough to have. Terrariums are one of those things that I am really into. They're definitely a big hobby. I have enjoyed having them for many years, and I've actually made one recently as a gift, which I've already given away, but I'll try and insert a photo here to show you what I made. I just think that they, like being little ecosystems of their own, they're just such a cool little display piece, but also they definitely do bring me joy. So the 3 that I will be showing you today are all from the same place. So if you do like any of these, you can purchase them. Although the bigger one, which I'm looking at right now, is different to what you can purchase, and I will get into that. But they are all from a place called Lulu and Angel, and honestly they have some of the most stunning terrariums I've ever seen, so definitely check out their website, check out their Instagram. So let's get into it. Okay, so I'm just going to show you vlog style. These two are very much the same. So on the Lulu and Angel website, these are what they are called: Bidem Rainforest Terrarium in concrete. The concrete is just this bottom bit down below, which they are referring to. So I believe that these are usually around the $300 mark when they have them in stock. So as you can see, there is a bit of condensation on them, but just put you down just to show you inside. I'll use this light, see if that works. So this is what they look like. It's actually really hard to show you. You can definitely see in this one a bit more, but they really are so stunning. And I just have them on these little wooden pieces. You can purchase these from Lulu and Angel. This one in particular, that is from Wheel and Barrow, if you're wanting to purchase this piece. So I guess what I will do, I'll take the tops off just so you can see inside, but this is an overview of what they both look like. So they are not fully enclosed. They do have the hole in the top. So taking the lids off. Okay, so I have just also sprayed them as well. I have a lot of issues with both of these actually with the moss. The moss seems to dry out a lot. So as you can see, there is some brown spots. So one is kept outside on our dining table and one is kept inside. This one, I rotate them, but yeah, inside. And we do have these large like windows, so they do get quite a bit of light, which might be too much maybe. So this one, they just don't, I mean, they don't look amazing like this, but yeah, as you can see, they are a little bit damp because I did spray them. I use a water sprayer, which you should use for any terrariums, but yeah, I've had these for maybe about 2 to 3 years. These plants are so stunning. I love that. These used to stick up, but they're more growing on the ground. And these rocks I added just recently actually. They did have some in here, but I just added a couple more there. Now, so that's more of like, not as bright, I would say. And then we have this one, which is super bright and like really growing nicely. But as you can see, like there is some darkness. So if you can help me, am I overwatering it? Am I underwatering it? Is it getting too much light? I'm not sure. That doesn't look too good. But yeah, absolutely super simple, but really stunning. That's a new leaf. I didn't notice that. Wow. Okay. So it's definitely growing. So these are my 2 table centerpiece ones. So I'll put them back on. So I'll put the lids back on. Okay, so the next one I'm going to show you, so again from Lulu and Angel on their website. So this is called the Garden of Eden Terrarium. Now, can I just say, it was, if I can find it, so it was this one with the little bonsai tree. I overwatered it. Sorry if this is a bit dark. So I did overwater it and killed it. So I had to literally redo the whole thing. You can't get those little trees in Australia. I did ask Lulu and Angel if they could ship them to me. They don't even, like, they can't even get these little trees anymore. So I had to do more of a tropical vibe. So yeah, I took everything out and I have had this for about 3 weeks now. So it's still settling in, but yeah, it does look quite good in my opinion. So this is an overview, sorry about my washing. This is an overview of what the whole thing looks like. And I really like, it's such a statement when you look back, minus my phone and that light. It is such a beautiful piece. People always comment on it. So I'm gonna take the ball off and then just put the light on top so you can see it a little better. Okay. So this is what it looks like. So I added all the moss myself, like I rebuilt it from literally nothing. So we have down the bottom, we have, you can't really see the layers. Sort of. So we have the gravel layer and then we have, I can't remember what order I did. Mesh and then charcoal, soil and then the moss. So I did actually go on a bushwalk with my husband and we picked all of this moss. One thing that I've noticed, because I didn't clean the moss, which I usually do, it's got a lot of grasses growing in it, which I'll show you. So if you can see like all those little grass pieces, which I've never had before, and I've never like left the twigs and all of that in there. So as you can see on the side here, there's a little thing growing up there. I really love the addition of the piece of mossy timber. I just think that that is a really cool thing. I'd love to get a really big statement piece as well. So all I've put in there is the, I think it's called like a parlor palm. I have, are they called like the Fitonias, the pink little things there and there. And also I've put some next to the rocks here. And there was somewhere else, I think, oh yeah, behind, which you might not be able to see, just behind there. And so I propagated those from my other terrariums along with these green things. That's a little fern, which I had for quite a while. So yeah, basically all I did was, because I was making another terrarium, I just bought one of those little, I think it's called a Fittonia. And yeah, I just halved it in mine and in the gift one that I made. And everything else, yeah, I already had. So it was super simple. I really, honestly love it so much. It has, I don't know if I can turn it. No, I'm not going to turn it. It really turned out so much better than I thought. And this moss is just so stunning. I I was really excited. I went to a new like rainforest, which I had never been to, and this moss I had never seen. So I was super excited to see if it would work or not, which so far I understand that it's still in like a settling period, so it may not still work, but as of today, I'm very impressed. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are into terrariums, let me know. I would love to hear from you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will see you very soon. Thanks again. Bye.